Hello, my name is John Cernuska with MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're looking at a 2017 Four Winds H290 bow rider. Only one owner on this particular boat. Just about 21 hours is all, lightly enjoyed. She has twin Volvo Penta 300 horsepower, V8 engines with joystick feature, which makes docking very easy. We'll walk through the cockpit here. On the back of the boat, you'll see a very nice aft sun lounger. The backrest retracts electrically towards the back, so you can sit forward or aft facing. Nice sound system, premium sound system on this boat. It has the amplifier with the subwoofers. Plenty of seating with the L-shaped lounger here. Freshwater sink with a refrigerator behind the left cabinet. Storage on the right side. A very well appointed helm station. She has a nice color Garmin unit. You can see the joystick control there. Digital throttle and shift. Flip up thigh bolsters for each seat. Well appointed head compartment behind that door. Vacuum flush head with macerator and holding tank, of course. Forward seating, very comfortable. Storage underneath the cushions. And then you'll also see on the starboard side, forward of the helm, you have a nice area that converts to a single bunk. And you see all the cushions there and filler supports to make the bow filler system, which transforms that area to a complete sunbed. Many options on this particular boat. I will have everything noted on the listing here shortly. If you'd like any more information about this particular 2017 Four Winds H290 bow rider, please reach me direct, John Cernuska, 239-297-4788. Thanks for watching.